Welcome back to another video. So this video I'm just updating you about this massive winter storm that's out in the Midwest. We're talking about this storm right now. Today is January 14th and this is what it looks like at 1 p.m. today. And I said massive, but it doesn't really look that impressive. But what I mean by massive is when it comes down to wind, over 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts has been reported in some places, especially since it's just all this flat land. That wind isn't being stopped by anything. So by 7 p.m. tonight, the snow starts getting a little bit heavier over here in the Midwest, but we also see a lot more rain. That rain is going to switch to snow, but for most people, it's actually going to stay rain. So this is at 1 a.m. tomorrow. As you can see, this low really hasn't even moved. I can assume that most of the snow will probably be concentrated in this area. By 1 p.m. tomorrow, you'll see, again, the lows barely even moved. Most of the snow is going to be concentrated here. Wisconsin, I know in my last video I posted yesterday, it was looking really good for snow for you, but unfortunately, it just doesn't look like it's going to snow that much for you. And also in my last video, I'm still sticking with the 5 to 8 inches of snow, and I did say that some local areas could probably see 8 to 12 inches. I don't think that's possible anymore. Now that we're starting to see how much snow is actually falling, I think 8 to 12 inches of snow is out of the question. By 7 p.m. on the 15th, this storm's going to finally start making its way east. By 1 a.m. on the 16th, mostly rain, but possible thunderstorms will be within this storm. For the rest of the Northeast, it'll be snow switching into rain for the most part, as you can see. And then once the storm moves out and it's the cold side and that colder air comes in, this is probably just lake effect snow, and this is just leftover moisture from the storm. And then, yeah, it moves out. But, there's a lot of winds, and that could possibly make a blizzard, so that's why I wanted to make another update. But really, other than that, there's nothing that impressive about the storm. And one more thing, the winds, as you can see, very heavy wind gusts. These winds are going to stick around for a little bit, and then they'll eventually die out, of course. But just be careful out there. It's really windy. Hopefully nobody lost any power, and if you do get stuck in a blizzard, make sure you're careful out on the roads, or just stay home. Now, when it comes to how much snow, I'm still sticking with my 5 to 8 inches. This is saying probably for the most part 6 inches. I'm still sticking with the 5 to 8 inches, which would be correct. I mean, some places might see more according to the GFS model. This is at 1 p.m. tomorrow, which is Friday. Yesterday, it was looking like there could have been a big giant patch of snow right here, but as of right now, that low pressure system is basically going to sit around here. So it looks like most of the snow will be over here near Omaha and Des Moines. And if we go over to our wind gusts where that snow is, definitely could see a blizzard, like I said. So just be careful. And yeah, I just wanted to make a quick update, not too much with the storm, but if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and possibly subscribe for more updates tomorrow.